The top 5 rules of your first $10,000. Today, we're going to talk about the magic number that can completely change your financial life, $10,000. Why is this number so important? Because it's the very first major milestone that shifts you from just surviving paycheck to paycheck into actually building wealth. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 rules of your first $10,000, how to use it, how to protect it, and why it's the foundation for everything that comes after. Stick with me, because these rules could literally set you up for financial freedom. Rule number 1, your first $10,000 builds financial confidence. Think about it. When you finally hit that number, you've proved to yourself that saving is possible. It's not enough to buy a house or a luxury car, but it's a massive mindset shift. Suddenly, you realize, if I can save $10,000, I can save $50,000, $100,000, even $1 million. That confidence is priceless, because wealth building is 80% mindset and only 20% strategy. This first $10,000 shows you what's possible. Rule number 2, $10,000 protects you from financial emergencies. Life happens. Your car breaks down. Your pet needs surgery. You lose your job unexpectedly. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, those moments can destroy you financially, forcing you into credit card debt, payday loans, or borrowing from friends. But with $10,000 in the bank, you can cover almost any short-term emergency without panic. It gives you peace of mind knowing you don't need to swipe a credit card or take on debt just to survive. That's why this milestone is so important, it's your safety net. Rule number 3, your first $10,000 gives you freedom of choice. Without savings, you're trapped. You stay in jobs you hate because you need the paycheck. You avoid opportunities because you can't afford the risk. But with $10,000 saved, you now have options. Maybe you want to take a short break from work. Maybe you want to invest in further education or a side hustle. Maybe you just want to take a trip without the guilt of draining your account. That freedom of choice, making decisions based on want instead of need, is one of the best feelings money can buy. Rule number 4, $10,000 teaches you intentional spending. Why? Because you know exactly how much discipline, sacrifice, and effort it took to get there. You don't blow money on every impulse purchase anymore. Instead, you think carefully, do I really need this? Or would I rather see my savings grow? This mindset shift makes you smarter with money forever. Every dollar has a purpose. Every expense is questioned. And that discipline sets you apart from most people. Rule number 5, your first $10,000 is the foundation for all future wealth. This is the springboard to your next milestone, $100,000. Here's the truth, going from $0 to $10,000 is much harder than going from $10,000 to $100,000. Why? Because once you've built that foundation, you've got momentum. You've built the habits. You've created a system that works. And now you can invest, compound your money, and accelerate your growth. Your first $10,000 is proof that financial freedom is possible. So to recap, the top 5 rules of your first $10,000 are: build financial confidence. Protect yourself from emergencies. Gain freedom of choice. Spend with intention. Use it as the foundation for growth. If you're on the journey to your first $10,000, remember, it's not about how fast you get there. It's about building the habits and the mindset that will last for life. And once you hit that milestone, trust me, doors will start opening that you never thought possible. So, what about you? Are you still working on your first $10,000, or have you already hit it? Drop a comment below, I'd love to know your story. Thanks for watching, and if you found value in this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more content just like this. See you in the next one.